next video, we'll derive the general solution to a cubic equation, known as Cardano's formula, step by step. This powerful method allows us to solve any cubic polynomial algebraically. We begin with the general cubic equation, ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d equals 0. Our first goal is to eliminate the x squared term. We do this using the substitution, x equals y minus b over 3a. This transforms our original equation into a more symmetric form. After substitution and expanding all terms, we simplify the expression into what's called the depressed cubic, y cubed plus py plus q equals 0. Here, the constants p and q are defined as p equals open bracket 3ac minus b squared over 3a squared, and q equals 2b cubed minus 9abc plus 27a squared d over 27a cubed. To solve the depressed cubic, we now let y equals u plus v. Substituting into the equation, we expand the cube of u plus v and regroup terms. We strategically choose u and v such that 3uv plus p equals 0, so uv equals negative p over 3. With this condition, the equation simplifies to u cubed plus v cubed equals negative q. Let's now solve for u cubed and v cubed. We denote u as u cubed and v as v cubed. Then u plus v equals minus q, and u times v equals minus p cubed over 27. These two expressions form a quadratic in u and v. Z squared plus qz minus p cubed over 27 equals 0. Solving this gives us u cubed equals negative q over 2 plus the square root of q squared over 4 plus p cubed over 27. And similarly, v cubed equals negative q over 2 minus that same square root. Finally, taking the cube roots of u cubed and v cubed, we get u and v. So the root y is simply u plus v. But remember, we had x equals y minus b over 3a. Putting it all together, we get the famous Cardano's formula. X equals the cube root of negative q over 2 plus the square root of q squared over 4 plus p cubed over 27 plus the cube root of negative q over 2 minus that same square root minus b over 3a. And there you have it, the full derivation of the cubic formula. Though complex, each step follows logically from algebraic principles. If you'd like to see this animation with actual examples or in Urdu, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.